Core here with Crash and Burn Racing, and welcome back to another video. Well, this is the reason why you have not seen a video in quite a while. It's because I am working on my own CNC router to cut my own frames out. And here's my control box, ATX power supply, and getting ready to do my first test cut. And let me show you real quick what I'm going to be cutting. And here is my logo. It's not the exact same one. I did have to change it a little bit, but we're going to be cutting this, and I believe I got everything ready to go. So we're going to go over here and turn on the router. So here's my very first cut. I was actually doing an outside pass of these letters, hoping that I could take them out and use them, but as you can see, it really didn't work out too well. Of course, this is just 6mm MDF, so not the greatest. But and then here, the C and the R actually ended up cutting together, which is very, very odd. I have no idea what caused that, but if I don't have done that, it actually would have ran off the edge. But on my program, it was only 600mm wide, which is about screw to screw here. So very odd. Let's try something else. All right, for attempt number 2, we'll be doing this license plate style sign, a little smaller, and this will be a multi-pass to make sure I'm not skipping steps. So here is my final product. Not bad for only my second cut, and I pretty much have zero experience with this, so quite happy with this. Looking at it, the only problem I saw is that for some reason it wanted to cut off the corner of my H. I don't know, maybe it was actually like that in the preview and I didn't pay enough attention, but this, I don't know what it's called, melamine or whatever. Someone's probably going to correct me on it, but it chipped out a lot in here, and this particle board is pretty coarse, so there was a lot of chipping. But just for getting used to using it though, I think it turned out quite well. And as for my CNC router, I'm using a DeWalt 611. This mount should be way down here. I may buy 2 of these and double it up, I'm not sure yet, but that's probably not permanent. This is based off the Sphinx version 2, and I modified it a little bit for my purpose. Yeah, it works pretty well. I have a CNC X Pro version 3 in here, and that's just my ATX power supply. It's all hooked up. I will do cable management. I gotta order that cable stuff that, you know, rolls along with it. I don't know the name of it, but yeah, anyway, that's my setup. Hopefully we'll be cutting some frames soon, getting my store opened up, and you'll be able to check it out. I'm Core with Crash and Burn Racing, and thank you for watching.